I finally nailed the Buldak fried rice after my first failed attempt, which was not spicy at all. This recipe includes spring onions, prawns, and yellow onions. Firstly, fry the onions, peel slightly brown with olive oil. Then you add the prawns, which are marinated with soy sauce and pepper. Then of course you add the star ingredient, which is the Buldak spicy sauce. As you can see, I put in a lot of the sauce to make sure it's spicy this time. You then mix it all up to ensure it's well incorporated into the onions and the prawns. The kitchen smells really good now. You add the rice, and before you fry it, another round of Buldak spicy sauce. Now it is time to turn up the heat and fry it thoroughly to give it a really nice wok hei. Mix in the spring onions and continue to fry until everything is well incorporated and the flavors are in each and every grain of rice. It's almost ready to serve now. Just look at how delicious it looks. But wait, don't forget to add a sunny side up egg, which will go really well with any fried rice. I also added a sprinkle of sesame seeds, a side of kimchi, and for the final touch, wait for it, one more final round of Buldak spicy sauce. It is simply delicious and way more spicy than my first try. Do give it a try of this recipe and let me know what you think in the comments below, and share your version of Buldak fried rice.